Have you ever pondered over the profound impact of shared experiences on family bonding and educational enrichment? Welcome to the world of family education road trips, where we weave together the threads of adventure, education, and family bonding into an unforgettable tapestry. Imagine this, a family, your family, strengthening bonds through shared adventures and meaningful connections. Picture yourselves spending quality time in new environments, creating memories that don't just last a lifetime, but deepen your relationships. This isn't just a vacation, it's an investment in the ties that bind. Now, consider the enriching benefits these trips offer. Our curated experiences extend beyond traditional learning, providing hands-on opportunities for personal growth and cultural immersion. Imagine your family gaining practical skills and valuable insights that will enrich your lives long after the trip has ended. Education isn't confined to the four walls of a classroom, and our trips are a testament to that. We offer engaging and relevant educational experiences that transcend textbooks. From farming activities to cultural tours, every moment is a chance to learn, grow, to develop. We understand that every family is unique, with diverse interests and ages. That's why our range of educational activities is tailored to suit your family. Whether it's learning about traditional leather making, tasting exotic camel milk, exploring heritage chapels, or stargazing under a clear, unpolluted sky, there's an activity for everyone. Imagine embarking on a journey of discovery and adventure, where every moment is an opportunity to learn and create lifelong memories. Each day brings a new experience, a new lesson, a new memory. So, picture this, a family, your family, returning home from a trip not just with souvenirs, but with shared memories, deeper bonds, and an enriched understanding of the world. That's the magic of a family education road trip. Now, turn this picture into reality. Book your family education road trip today. And embark on a journey that will change the way you see the world and each other. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about where you go, but who you travel with. Book your trip today and start creating memories that will last a lifetime.